breaker.
What's up mga ka-audit? Welcome back sa ating Dream Financial Team. Today, hindi tayo mag-aayos ng face, kundi mag-aayos tayo ng buhay. Pag-uusapan natin kung sino nga ba talaga ang nakikisawsaw sa isang businesses.
Akala kasi ng ibang tao, mahirap ang accounting. But no, it's not. It's feeling like investigative journalism. Sabi nga sa file natin, meron tayong dalawang categories ng accounting, which is yung internal and external users.
So parang relationship lang siya. May mga internal users na makikita natin sa loob na makasama natin sa plot. At meron naman tayong mga external users na mga taganood lang sa TikTok. So, simulan na natin at introduce natin ang mga guests natin sa araw na ngayon.
First guest natin ang ating management icon, Krista Nyakin. Pasok!
Yes, as management, kami ang primary user. Kasama dyan ang board directors, top management, and supervisors. We're the brain of the company. We need detailed info on a timely basis para makapag-design ng tama. We ask the real question. Can we afford the salary increase? Or mag-extra pa o bibili tayo ng bago equipment?
So parang hindi lang ba tayo titingin sa numbers?
Of course not. We decide if we need to cut costs or adjust selling prices. We also check the value of inventory and our receivables. It's about responding to problems in the business.
So, ganun pala yun. So, why not let's move on to our employees, which is Miss Alburo, representing the employees.
True. Kahit field worker o labor lang ako at wala akong authority para mag-decide, user din ako. Check ko lang kung profitable ang company para sure pambayad sa salaries at benefits ko. No profit, no bonus, and that is not a slave.
So ayan, nakita na naman, thank you Miss Alburo and Tanyakin. Kasi talagang informative yung mga binigay nilang info, no? So
Yes.
palakpakan ulit natin sila.
See you next time. Now, move on naman tayo sa mga outsiders. Miss Quezon, multitasking ka as investors and creditors?
Always busy. As a potential investor, lagi kong tinitignan, is it profitable for me to invest here? Or kapag creditor naman, like banks or suppliers, hindi ako mababayaran nyo ba yung loan nyo at kung gaano katagal yung credit term.
So, my question is, required ba na super detailed ang breakdown sa inyo?
No need, summarize lang. Like annual reports or your taxes, liabilities, summary lang for the big decision.
So, Miss Quezon, thank you sa cooperation mo yun sa detailed na information na binigay mo sa amin. Thank you po.
Thank you.
At syempre, hindi mawawala ang ating audit police or mas kilala sa bilang gobyerno.
Shoutout sa BIR na tinitingnan kung tama ang tax na binabayad at sa DOLE na tinitingnan kung sinusunod ba ang law sa pasahod at benefits. Kasama rin dyan ang SEC, DTI at pati ang City Hall.
Pati na rin yung academe, yung like researchers and student, and general public user din. Ang academe ay tinitignan yung mga loopholes for improvement, habang yung general public ay chinecheck lang yung overall condition ng economy.
At ang customers, sila ang main source ng income, kaya chinecheck nila if stable ang business and before they can build a relationship and to make any deals.
To wrap it up, internal users or insiders are directly involved in managing and running the business. They need detailed info.
External users or yung outsiders are individual or organization outside the company. Sila rin yung tinatawag na secondary users, which is yung ginagawa lang nila is nagsasummarize lang ng mga reports.
At ayun ang fee for today.
Remember na ang accounting is not boring.
Kung may counting chika.
Stay smart and stay financially literate.
And don't forget to like and subscribe.
Thank you for listening. Bye, besties!